or shift and space, I guess. Click that. Click, I'm going to name it test. Then I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to go la 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 la. That's pretty cool. And there. And now if I want to, which is pretty chill, I can fade in so it becomes quieter, and I can fade out, which is for audio effects like that. Those are some pretty cool things you can do. And if you want to do multi-track stuff, like edit multiple things at the same time, you go File, New, Multi-track Session. And then we're going to do this tutorial. Then we're going to go OK. We're going to overwrite that. Yeah, of course we are. Now we can import multiple medias, like if we want to go like that. And like that. And once you let them load for a bit, now we have multiple files. And if we want to, we can. So we can go like this and. Oh, sorry, don't want to do that. See, go through multiple parts of it like that. And if we want, we can make it go on repeat. That's not what we're going to do right now. So that's how you insert multiple files. Now, if we go back to test, if you highlight just a specific section, click that button, and click play. It goes over and over again, just the section highlighted. That's pretty chill, too. Then you can unpause it with that button. Very nice, very chill, and all that. I think I'm good.